backstretch. There's Corey Coon in the 22K Pontiac Sunfire. David James Lusink in the blue and green Celica, Toyota Celica. David James putting on the pressure as they head into turn one. Now side by side down the backstretch. Here's the game of stretch. Corey Coon keeping the pressure on. Just a rolling. Both of them shooting down the back. Side by side slide. Now it's Corey Coon out front. Here comes Lusink on the inside. Lusink doing a good job of staying right in that window. Here they are coming down the backstretch, coming in hot. One lap to go, final lap, anything can happen. TNT West Michigan Warzone has a bump and run going down the backstretch side by side. Here we are, who's gonna come? Folks, make some noise! What a race by these two drivers!